Number 1. Have permission. It means to have authorization or approval to do something.
You have permission to leave early today. You have permission to leave early today. Does he have permission to use the car? Does he have permission to use the car? They have permission to enter the building. They have permission to enter the building.
Number 2. Have a bath, a shower, a sauna. It means to take a bath or shower is to wash the body. A sauna is to relax in a steam room.
She loves to have a bath before bed. She loves to have a bath before bed. I have a shower every morning after exercising. I have a shower every morning after exercising. They had a sauna at the spa last weekend. They had a sauna at the spa last weekend.
Number 3. Have a break. It means to take a short pause in work or activity.
Let's have a break after 2 hours of study. Let's have a break after 2 hours of study. He had a break to stretch his legs. He had a break to stretch his legs. We should have a break for some coffee. We should have a break for some coffee.
Number 4. Have a point. It means to have a valid or good reason, to be correct.
You have a point about the cost of living. You have a point about the cost of living. She had a point in the argument yesterday. She had a point in the argument yesterday. They always have a point in their discussions. They always have a point in their discussions.
Number 5. Have a dream. It means to experience a dream while sleeping, or to have a goal or aspiration.
Martin Luther King had a dream for equality. Martin Luther King had a dream for equality. She has a dream to travel the world. She has a dream to travel the world. I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night.